Hello friends, welcome to the new video, that is the futures and futures trading. This is the second video of the derivative series. In the first video we will know all about the basic of derivatives. दोस्तों इस वीडियो में हम लोग जानेंगे फ्यूचर्स एंड फ्यूचर्स के ट्रेडिंग के बारे में। फ्यूचर्स क्या होता है, फ्यूचर्स में क्या क्या चीज़ है, उसमें क्या क्या टर्म्स है, हम सारा कुछ इसमें आज जानेंगे। आप फ्यूचर ट्रेडिंग करना आपके लिए सही है कि नहीं, फ्यूचर्स का कैसे ट्रेड करते हैं, क्या है उसका मार्जिन क्या रहता है, सारा कुछ इस वीडियोज में जानेंगे आज।
What is future contracts? Future markets were innovated to overcome the limitations of forwards. A futures contract is an agreement made through an organized exchange to buy or sell a fixed amount of a commodity or a financial asset on a future date at an agreed price. Simply, futures are standardized forward contracts that are traded on an exchange. The clearinghouse associated with the exchange guarantees settlement of the trades. A trader who buys future contract takes a long position and the one who sells futures take a short position. The words buy and sells are figurative only because no money or underlying assets changes hand between buyers and sellers when the deal is signed. फ्यूचर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में क्या होता है, ये एक टाइप का फॉरवर्ड होता है, बट ये एक्सचेंज में ट्रेड होता है, ऑर्गेनाइज एक्सचेंज ट्रेड होता है। इसमें क्या होता है, लॉन्ग पोजीशन लेता है वो बाय करता है, और जो शॉर्ट पोजीशन लेता है वो सेल करता है। फ्यूचर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में फ्यूचर डेट का ही कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बाय और सेल होता है एंड इसका जो एक्सपायरी डेट में ये सेटल होता है। Okay, next we will see what is the features of future contracts.
Features of future contract. In futures market, exchange decides all the contract terms of the contract other than price. Accordingly, future contracts have following features: contract between two parties through exchange, centralized trading platform, that is exchange, price discovery through free interaction of buyers and sellers, margins are payable by both the parties, quality decided today, standardized, quantity decided today, standardized. These are the features of the future contract. Let's go for the futures terminologies. What is futures terminologies? That is like instrument type, underlying asset, expiry date, open price, high price, low price, closing price, last trading price, number of contract traded, turnover in lakhs, underlying value, open interest. These are future terminologies. We will see details in the next slide. Futures terminologies. Let us understand various terms in the future market. The first one is the spot price. What is spot price? The price at which an asset trades in the cash market. जो कैश मार्केट में जो प्राइस ट्रेड होता है, मान लो निफ्टी का अभी जो चल रहा है 14,400, suppose this is the spot price of Nifty. I will show you in the chart in the next slide. Okay. This is the spot price. जो current price होता है उसको spot price बोलते हैं. What is future price? Future price is the price of the futures contract in the future market. Means said the today's Nifty futures market is 14,000, suppose 14,460. This is the future price. It is traded in futures contracts. Then what is contract cycle? it is a period over which a contract trades. Means there is the period means 3 months of contract. The maximum number of index future contract is 3 months contract. Like means this is the month of January, then the future contract should be January, February, March. And if it is going to February, then it is February, March, April. This is the 3 months of contracts in the index. The last Thursday is the expiry date. Every future contract expires on last Thursday of the month. Then what is expiration date? Expiration date is the day on which a derivative contract ceases to exist. It is the last trading day of the contract. The expiry date is the quotation is that it will expire on that date, that is the last Thursday of the month, expiry month. Means this is the January, if the January contract is that, then the expiry date will be last Friday of the month, that is 29th January is the expiry date of January contract. Like for February month, the Thursday is last Thursday is 25th February is the last date of the contract of February. Okay, this is all about the expirations of the contract. Now we would know the tick size. What is tick size? It is minimum move allowed in the price quotations. Exchange decide the tick sizes on traded contracts as part of contract specification. Tick size, for example, Nifty futures is 5 पैसा. टिक साइज क्या होता है? मिनिमम मूव कितना होता है वो उसको टिक साइज बोलते हैं. ये एक्सचेंज डिसाइड करता है. सपोज निफ्टी का जो टिक साइज रहता है 5 पैसा. सब दिस इज द यू कैन नो इन द बीड प्राइस एंड आस्क प्राइस. इन द section we will see that on the chart on the Zerodha we will see that there is the bid price is the price buyer is willing to pay and the ask price is the price seller is willing to sell. Okay, then what is the contract size and contract value? Contract size and contract value in futures are traded in lots, and to arrive at the contract value we have to multiply the price with contract multiplier or lot size or contract size. For example, in Nifty the contract size is now is 75 and in Bank Nifty it is 25. Then what will be the value if for it is the 14,000, suppose 14,500, then Nifty will be 14,500 into 75, then it is the total cost of the future price. Then what is the basis? The basis means the difference between the spot price and the future price is called basis. If the future price is greater than spot price, basis for the asset is negative. Similarly, if the spot price is greater than the future price, basis for the asset is positive. Okay, in for this you can expect the market will go up or down. If spot price is more than the future price, this means that the price will go low because future price is low. If the spot price is lower than the future price, means future price is higher than the spot price, then the price will go high. You can, this is the basis. Okay, then next we will know what is cost to carry. Cost to carry is the relationship between future price and spot price. It measures the storage cost in commodity markets plus the interest that is paid to the finance or carry the asset still delivery less the income earned on the asset during the holding period. For equity derivatives, carrying cost is the interest paid to the finance the purchase less minus dividend earned. This is the cost of carry. Okay. Then next term is the margin account. What is margin account? An exchange guarantees that settlement of all trades to protect itself against default by either counterparty. It charges various margins from brokers. Brokers in turn charge margins from their customers. Brief about margins, that is initial margin. Okay. And what is the now initial margin is what is the amount one needs to deposit the margin account at the time of entering in future contract is known as initial margin. Now we will know what is the making to market, what is MTM. In future market, while contracts have maturity of several months, profits and losses are settled on day-to-day basis, called mark to market, that is MTM settlement. The exchange collects these margins from the loss making participants and pay to the gainers on day-to-day basis. Okay, this is all about the future terminologies. We will know detail of the what is the features and the terminologies of futures in Zerodha platform. See here, this is the Nifty 50, that is 14,484.75. This 0.75. This is the spot price on 12th January. Okay. Then what is the future price? Then future price I have already said that it will on monthly contract and it will a three months of contract, that is January, February, March. If January expires, then February, March, April, like this. This is the January Nifty future. It is the value is 14,493.5 and February future is 14,528 and March also, that is 14,552.65. These are the future price of Nifty. Like that, you have to check the Reliance. You see here Reliance. The Reliance future is 1906. It is the 1914 and February is the 1914.90 and March future is the 1923. You can check also Reliance spot price. Right? Type Reliance spot price here. You can check. The spot price is here 1897 is the spot price. Okay, this is spot price, these are the future price. Okay, then how to buy? You have to click on the buy button here for January future. If you want to buy, if it is go high, the spot will go high, then you will buy the future like this. This is the overnight price. It means you can hold. आप इसको होल्ड करना चाहते हो तो ओवरनाइट में खरीदते हैं, दैट इज नॉर्मल NRML मीन्स एक लॉट आपको खरीदने के लिए आपको इसमें आपको मार्जिन चाहिए 1,62,891. एक ये मार्जिन मनी चाहिए, बट इसका एक्चुअल मनी कितना है? एक्चुअल मनी इज मोर. एक्चुअल मनी हाउ मच? You can calculate by calculator. What is the actual money? The actual money is 14,493.5 into 75. That is the actual money is the 10,87,012.5 rupees. Means you have paid only for 1,62,000 for one lot, and you can hold for 1 month to 3 months. Means you have to extend on the next month, but you can hold up to 1 month up to the expiry on last Thursday. Okay, this is the in futures the margin value is very high. For that future is high rewarding also. आप बहुत ज़्यादा गेन भी कर सकते हो, इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा लॉस भी हो सकता है, ये बहुत रिस्की रहता है. ओके, this is the future margin. You can also check with intraday. You can check intraday. Intraday the margin is the 49,970, means 50,000 only. In you can buy one lot with 50,000. Okay, then what is the sell value? Sell value is same. Sell buy value is same. Overnight sell value also same. This is the margin money you have to find, and you know about the spot price. This is the spot price of Nifty. Then these are the future price. Okay, and you also already know the MTM. Then you have to how to buy, you already knows. Okay, this is all about the futures. Okay, we will see the next derivatives section next in my next video. Thank you guys, bye.